Is your Instagram story video rotated sideways or upside down? Don't worry. Here's how to rotate it in just a few seconds. So the first thing which I'm going to do is to open my Instagram app on my Android phone or my iPhone, and then what I need to do is to swipe in order to open the Instagram story camera. Let's add our video by swiping from the bottom to the top, and we can see our photo gallery appear where we will select our video. You can see that I've made a mistake and I've recorded this video in the wrong direction, but that's not a big deal. I can easily rotate this video by using my two fingers like this, and either rotate the fingers clockwise or counterclockwise, and the video will be rotated inside of the story camera. So these are the steps, everyone. If you found this guide useful and you need more similar Instagram tutorials like this one, then check out my playlist down below, and I will see you soon.